If you're looking for Similac baby products, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Similac baby products video collection. Number 1, most popular, by Similac. Video and get inspired. Watch this video. Number 2, another great product by Similac. Number 3. For more info about these great baby products items, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Similac. Find these Similac baby products at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6. Number 7. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more Similac baby products ideas and items to explore. Click the circle in the corner. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel. Small babies, especially those born prematurely, require ultimate care and handling.
Their bone formation, eyesight, skin and their inner strength is very weak, and hence one has to ensure that they are nurtured properly to ensure they are well taken care of.
Similac Neosure comes in to aid parents, to help make sure the baby grows healthy and strong.
Similac Neosure is a baby growth formula that greatly influences the baby's growth rate.
It is mainly used for premature infant growth.
It supplies the baby with higher levels of nutrients that will help premature or low-weight born kids develop normally.
This formula mainly initiates 3 important developments to the infant: excellent catch-up growth rate, improved language development and enhanced visual development.
This formula has more than 35% of protein content. Normally protein is very essential for growth and building up of tissues.
Apart from that, it also has calories, vitamins, and mineral content higher than the ordinary growth formulas.
As a result, the young kid will grow with a healthy and strong body.
Eye and brain development is a very crucial component in the growth of any baby.
Naturally, this process is greatly enhanced by the mother's natural components while in the womb.
However, in case the infant is born prematurely, his or her brain and eyesight is not well formed.
With this formula, the kid is supplied with DHA and ARA for eye and brain development.
The little one will also require a strong immune system in order to be well guarded against ailments.
This formula has nucleotides, which are also found in breast milk. These nutrients help a lot in supporting the formation of the immune system.
Calcium will also be found in high contents in this Similac Neosure, thus resulting in a superb formulation.